Hello out there, everyone. It's me, your friend Radio Nut R. Just going to show you my box I just got in the mail, and we're going to open it up and we'll see what it is. I know what it is, but you don't. I'm going to open it up. It's an early Christmas present from my friend in Virginia, and we'll open it up. Boy, he knows how to pack a box, that's for sure. See what this says. It says, tuning knobs and feet with screws in Ziploc baggie. Can y'all read that? Probably not. There. All right, let's get it out of the box. It's upside down. Here it is. I hope y'all can see it. It's a DX200 Radio Shack. Got the old Wadley tuning method. We'll do another video on that. This video was just for unboxing. DX302, made by Radio Shack. This is from my friend Brian Gilliam in Virginia. So we'll find the knobs. Here's the knobs and the feet. So anyway, DX302, it's on loan. He didn't give it to me, he loaned it to me. He says he has too many radios. He says, I'll loan you this one, you take care of it. So anyway, there's DX302. I'll make some more videos of it when I get it up and running. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.